Okay, friends, if you followed me for any amount of time, you might recognize where I am, but maybe not. But I think that gives it away right there. This is my favorite off-harbor hotel. I'm at the SunCoast. This is my favorite off-harbor hotel, especially for a girls trip or I stayed here with one of my sons. We did a mother-son trip. It's a great, beautiful hotel. It's very, very new. And we're going to take a look at some of the rooms here. Of course, you get the best deals when you book through my partners at Getaway Today. But yes, this is my favorite hotel off of harbor. It is walkable. It's about 15 minutes, but you can also catch the art right outside over in between here in the Element. You're going to want to stay at this hotel. Like I said, this is what would give away what hotel I'm at, the SunCoast. This is their VW bus. It's out here on the patio right next to the pool area. There's the pool area. I'm not going to get too close in there, I don't think, because there are people swimming. You guys know me with my privacy, but this pool area is very large. I love it. It's very relaxing. I think the max depth is only 3.5 feet. So it's one of those that I feel a lot safer with my kids in, because they can touch everywhere. So I love that, but it's also a very chill hotel. Y'all know I love Courtyard and I love Surfside Water Park. But when I come on a girls trip, I want a hotel that I can relax at and it's not super busy. So I do see some other things here on the patio you might enjoy is they have some lawn games. So they have Connect Four and then they have cornhole. And then they do have a ping pong table, or table tennis or whatever. So you have that as well. Also out here, there are tables that you can see that you can eat at and stuff. So it's a really great area. There is a hot tub. And then as you come in, you enter through the dining restaurant area. Now, when you stay with Getaway Today, you get an exclusive perk where they give you a breakfast voucher. Normally, breakfast is not free at this hotel. So just know that. And it's just like, they also serve drinks here and little eats right here. And there is a kids menu, so those kids that don't like a ton of things, they have the staples there for everyone. Another great thing to know about this hotel is when you book through Getaway Today, your parking fee is waived. That is a savings of $35 per night, which is just amazing. Also, the complimentary breakfast, it's for up to 4 guests per room. I know they have a couple rooms that sleep bigger families, but I'm not sure if those are bookable through Getaway Today. However, I will say their rooms are so spacious and beautiful. I love them. In fact, you guys may not know this, but my profile picture on all my social handles was actually taken inside of my hotel room at this hotel because the walls match the color of my brand. All right. And now we have the market, which has all those little things you might need. You guys know this. And I just wanted to point this out because here is the laundry stuff. One thing about this, I don't know if I'll get to go down to the laundry room, but their laundry machines are free to use. So there is no coins, no app needed, no debit card needed. You just need to have your detergent and everything, and then you will be able to use the laundry. Now, I know who wants to do laundry on vacation, but I sometimes like to because then I go home with all clean clothes. So if we're just having like early evening, the day before we leave or something, I will wash laundry. I know I'm crazy. I'm sorry. I'm ruining vacation for you, but it's okay to do laundry on vacation. The other thing is like, if you have, something like your kids spill their part of their Mickey ice cream bar on their shirt while you're at the parks, maybe you'll be able to get it out of their the shirt if you come straight here and wash it. You guys are going to see why I love this hotel. This is the standard room at the SunCoast, and it is a 2-queen, but there's so much space. You're going to love this. All right. So here we go. This is the bathroom, whatever, right? Back here, you'll have your closet. I'm not going to shut the door and show it, but put my paper I'm holding down. Here you have your microwave. Oops, sorry, that was loud. And below you have your mini fridge. So you do have both of those and there is a safe. One thing I love about this hotel is the decor. I love it. I mentioned This wall over here is where I took my profile picture for my socials. And I actually had a picture with one of these when I was in a different room that had a little extra space on that side too. But yes, I love the decor and the colors match my branding. So, it's kind of fun. They have dressers here with lots of space. Look how big these drawers are, guys. You will have no problem if you are someone that uses drawers at a hotel. You'll have no problem using those. And then this workspace is super cute. I love it. These beds, very comfortable. Pillows are very comfortable. They're not too soft, but they're not firm. At least the ones that I've had every time I've stayed here. So we have all that. So again, a lot of hotels down here are trying to be, I think it's green certified or something is what it's called. So they have different measures to do that. And one of the ones here at the SunCoast is in order for the lights to work, you have to have a card in here. So a key card or whatever has to be in here. And if you take it out, eventually the lights will turn off. It doesn't take super long, but it's not immediate. So I have to tell you this funny story. I was staying here one time. I was only here, I think, for one night, maybe two, but I was so mad because the TV wasn't working and I had all the lights off because I was getting ready to go to bed. And sometimes when I'm here, I just like to watch TV to relax. And I was getting mad because my TV was broken. No, my TV wasn't broken. I just did not have a card in, so it didn't work. One thing you need to know is that the SunCoast, where it's located, you do see a lot of parking lots and things, right? And one side stores free, but most rooms either have windows that face here and you can see the parks, or they face kind of this way where the Element is, but you can also see that. Now, both of these, most of them, at least if they're a higher floor, you're going to be able to see the fireworks. Now, if you are not in one of these rooms, that's the beauty of it. You come to one of these higher floors, you go to the end of the hall here, and you can sit here and watch the fireworks. And yes, you can watch them from the pool as well, if it's open in the patio. But this is a great way if you want to be inside, have the kids in their pajamas, you can come out here and watch the fireworks. Okay, this is the One King suite here at the SunCoast. This room is also bookable through Getaway Today. Now, I do want to let you know, I know they have 2 queen family suites, which will have 2 queens where the king is, because you'll see there's a lot of space there. But this one is the One King. I'm not sure if the 2 queen family suite can be booked through Getaway Today. Here is the pull-out sofa, this nice living area. I've stayed in this room. I've stayed in almost every room type here. So it's really great. Again, love the decor. They've got the chairs, nice desk area. As we mentioned, that's where your fridge and everything is going to be. Same bathroom. Like, it's really similar. Shower and tub combo, which is great for when you have little kids. And then look, this room is huge. There's so much space. So let's say you're traveling with a young child and you have a pack and play. There's so much room to put that pack and play. There's also lots of room to put a stroller or a scooter, a mobility scooter if you need it. Also, just looking out here, this is a view that is away from the parks. They have park facing views and stuff, and they also have stuff at the end. But even this, like, there's nothing that's going to be built here. This is a cell tower area or power line or something. So they're not going to build here. So you'll always have like this trees, and yeah, it's a street view, but this is a pretty darn pretty street view if you ask me. Also right over there, that is the garden walk. That's kind of like an outdoor mall area that has lots of shops, bowling, things like that. It's a really great place to go if you want to do something on a day that you're not at Disneyland. Okay, and just a reminder, book this through Getaway Today because that gets you free parking, breakfast vouchers for up to 4 people per night or morning, I guess. And that's a huge savings in and of itself. And of course, you get discounted Disneyland tickets. And if you want to save even more, use my code, and I'll have that down in the description. That will give you an extra $10 off. Yeah, I know it's only an extra 10, but when you add it with all the other things, it really starts to add up.